Hello and welcome to another Teacher Tech Bite. Today I want to show you how to use transparent images inside of Google Slides. So what we're really used to doing here is taking a typical slide presentation. We want to get really creative with it, put in some cool pictures. So, what we'll always do is, let's say I'm a student, I'm doing something on World War II, so I'm going to research Joseph Stalin and Russia. And so what I'm used to doing is I go to Google, I type in the name Joseph Stalin, I see an image here, I'm like, okay, hey, this is a great picture, I'm going to use this. I copy my image and I go and paste that image in. And we're going to change the background of this here. Let's just use a black background, it'll make things pop a little bit better. So I have my image of Joseph Stalin. Looks really nice, but let's say I really want to get creative here and I want to eliminate this background around Joseph Stalin and make this presentation really look nice. There's a way you can do that. And what we can do is let's go back into our general Google search here, right? All of our images, Joseph Stalin, they're here. And if I go into Tools, I can choose Color. And under Color, it automatically defaults to any color, but this time I'm going to choose Transparent. Now a new set of images will come up. These images, 9 out of 10 of them are going to be transparent, which basically means that the background is eliminated from some of these different images. So let's say I choose this one right here, this profile image. And you could see from this image here that we have Joseph Stalin's profile here, but behind him is a bunch of gray and white squares. That basically means that the background is eliminated. We're only going to be copying the actual image itself, which is really cool. So if I go and I choose copy image, and now I go in and paste that image here, I now have just that profile picture with the background. And if I want to change that background around here, you can see that the background changes, but the image really pops from that, and it just visually looks a lot better than just copying this here. Now another thing you could do with this is, let's say we're going to add a call out. So we can add shapes and other images to this, but let's just choose a call out here and we can put this in. So now if we really want to get creative here, we can have Joseph Stalin saying something. I like steel. So again, just getting really creative here with Google Slides. Again, this is just an example on how to take general Google image searches, and instead of just using what we have here, we can go to Tools, we can go into Color, we can click on Transparent, and we pull up all of these different images and again, get really creative with some of our different presentations.